Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to block phone number on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, write comments. Let's get started. To do this, you need to go to your iPhone phone. Then here you have keyboard, contacts, inbox. Go to inbox. Here you select the person you want to block. You click on this little blue dot. You scroll down, and there's block this caller, and then block contact. After that, you have blocked this person. You can also click contacts and find the person you want to block in your contacts. Select them in the search box or scroll down. Scroll down here too and click block this caller, and then block contact. After that, we were able to block the phone number, namely the contact on our iPhone. If you help them like this video, you can put a like. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you all very much for watching this video to the end. Goodbye.